Designing a product is a complex process, but there are even more steps after the initial design. A product must be scrutinized both before and after it has been manufactured in order to ensure the highest level of quality. At American Holt, we apply rigorous validation and inspection processes for all parts we produce. During the reverse engineering procedure, an engineer uses measurement equipment and design principles to create a drawing that will serve as the instructions for manufacturing the final product. Once finished, the drawing is submitted to a supervising engineer to review, to check for completeness, good design, proper tolerancing, and other factors. The drawing is then passed along to the quality assurance department, along with the original sample of the part used to create the drawing. Inspectors take comprehensive measurements on the sample to ensure that the dimensioning and tolerancing in the drawing aligns with the real-world values. The process of going over the blueprint twice is resource-intensive, but the engineering adage states, measure twice, cut once. When the drawing is approved, it is then used to manufacture the final product, after which the product is brought back to quality assurance for incoming inspection. Here, the parts are measured against the drawings to verify that they have been manufactured correctly. Advanced systems may be used, such as automatic CMMs, video imagers, and 3D scanners. Parts may also be physically tested against mating parts as a foolproof check for functionality, and full assemblies are inspected for completion. The end result is a product that is guaranteed to perform as required from the very first unit sold.